Okay, so today we will be doing the chapter 4 verb, and from verb we will be studying about tenses. Okay, so tenses, there are three. They are present tense, past tense and future tense, and these three are subdivided into simple, continuous, perfect continuous. So we will be doing one by one in details. First we will be doing of present tense, and the first is simple present tense. Okay, simple present tense is what, students? It is used to express facts that are true, okay, and which are being done in the present time. Like in the book, it's given example: mother, you look beautiful in this dress. You look beautiful in this dress. So the word look is given in is what? Is a simple present tense. It is also used to express what? The facts and things that are always generally true. Okay, it is always in a simple present tense, which are in general, which are generally true. Like lions and tigers hunt their prey. Okay, lions and tigers hunt their prey. So the word hunt is what? Is a simple future. Simple present. Okay, it is what? It is a fact. It's a true. Okay, it's a true thing. So it will be in a present. In a simple present. Now, simple present tense is also used to express a repeated or habitual action. We come every Sunday, or we can say I go to school at 8 o'clock. Go or come is what? A simple present, because it is a repeated or a habitual action. You do that particular action in that particular time. Okay. Now next is event or events in the future. It is simple present is also used to express the event in the future. Like in the book it's given, the exhibition opens next Monday. The word opens is what? A simple present tense, because it is an event which is taken in the which will be taken in the future. Now it is also used to introduce the quotation in the book, like Shakespeare says. Okay, says. Though Shakespeare is no more, we can say said or told in this way, but we always we always say in a simple present form, that is says. Shakespeare says. Clear? Now, newspapers headlines. Newspaper headlines are always also given in a simple present tense, like police arrest. We cannot say police arrested. We don't see in the newspaper that is given in the past tense. Always it's given in the headline is given in the simple present tense. Police arrest, auto lift up gang. Clear? Okay. Next we will come to present continuous tense. Okay, so in a present continuous tense, what it is actually? It is used to express something happening at the time of speaking. Like if I say I am teaching English, I am teaching. Okay, so you can see the ing form is used. Yes, ing form is used always in a present continuous form. Okay, so something happening at the time of speaking, like I am speaking, I am speaking, in this way. An action or situation seen as happening for a short period. Like for example, I am living in the office flat these days. Okay, so it is a present continuous which is being which will happen in a short period of time. Okay, like I am living in a office, in the office flat these days. Next is an action that happens very often. It is generally used with always. Okay, so whenever you see the word always, so that is what you will identify it as a present continuous form. He is always losing his keys. Okay, next is something which has been arranged or planned in the future. Like my uncle is arriving. Okay, he is being arriving. It is already planned. It is already arranged for the future. So that is what? A present continuous form. Okay. is present perfect tense. Okay, so here we can see that has and have is used. What is used? Has and have. Yes? Okay, so first we will see what it is used to express. It is used to express action completed in the past and the present. Like example, Vidya has traveled all over the Europe. Okay, so it was the action which was what? Which happened in the past and it is continued and ended in the present. Okay, so Vidya had traveled all over the Europe. Action completed recently, where time is not mentioned. I have baked a cake. Okay, so that is also a present perfect, because it was like I have baked a cake. What it was? It was being completed, but we don't know the actual time. Okay, to ask for or give information. She has appealed to 4 colleges in the US to ask for or give information. So this is also present perfect. Next is an immediately completed action. Like her plane has just landed. Okay, that will not come under the past tense. That is a present perfect. Okay, which has already been completed. The action which took place completed just now. With yet only in a interrogative or negative sentences. Whenever you see yet, it is always used. You will see that it is used in what? In a interrogative sentence or a negative sentence. Like example, have you had dinner yet? Okay, I have not yet received any answer from him. So you can see that yet, yet is used in a present perfect along with interrogative sentence and negative sentence. Okay, next is present perfect continuous. So what is present perfect continuous? The action which take place over a period of time and it's still continuing till the present. Okay, and in this present perfect continuous, what we use is has, have, and along with that been is used. Okay, so like for example, Madhu and Anu have been shopping for 2 hours. So we can see that these both girls are being shopping. They have been shopping for 2 hours. I mean, they are still doing the action. The action is being continuing. Yes. And next we will see we have been waiting for the bus. It means what? We are still waiting. So the actions which are in a progress, in a continuing process. So that is what? Present perfect continuous.